Hey besties, today we are going to talk all about wig storage. This is a question we get a lot. How do I hang my wigs? How do I travel with my wigs? And how do I just keep them looking beautiful and displayed? And today we will answer all of those questions. Option number one, we always include a silk bag when we ship your order, and these are kind of an upgraded version because they actually have a zipper and they also have this handle here to hang them. This is a really nice feature, especially when you are traveling, because who wants to have fabulous hair on vacation? Everybody! Everyone. But a little tip here, we always include a net to go over the wig. Make sure you keep that because it's going to really make sure that it is nice and confined in there when you do travel, so that way it stays in that perfect shape. Next, we do have these beautiful new hang clips. These are going to be really, really nice because you are able to actually hang your wig from them while simultaneously using a card as well to make sure that they are nice and labeled. I know a lot of people try to remember what are their names, and this is a really great feature about these clips. Once upon a time, we did have these other hanger bags, and we really wanted to improve upon the construction of them because the hangers were really bulky and really difficult to store. This one has this really nice metal hook. We really were thoughtful about just the whole feel of this one because we want it to be really gorgeous. So it does have this hanger. This will be great for travel as well. Really recommend putting this into your little storage bag when you are going on vacation. It has a really nice wooden base, and then this is a really beautiful wooden clip. It does have a rubber end to make sure that those fibers are not slipping off that wig, pulling that hair. Disaster. This way it's going to hold it nicely into place. And it can hold all of your wigs all the way up to 150% density, and it'll be nice and locked in. Next, this is a really great hack that I actually learned from somebody in our Facebook group. What you do is grab a command hook, and then you're going to grab a styrofoam ball. This is really helpful because you can actually drape your wig over the ball and it'll hold it nicely in place. This is a great feature if you just want to hang them on your wall. Another feature as well, and I'm going to talk about S hooks for wig storage, and this is going to come in handy for that as well. Next, if you have a great addiction like all of us, you know that we have plenty of wigs to store. So we grab these S hooks, and this is how we hang a lot of our wigs. We hang it right by the clip. For me, I don't ever really use those actual combs, so hanging that on there is not a problem. However, if you do prefer to use those combs, I suggest just grabbing this S hook, and you're going to put the ball right on top here and pierce it in there. And then when you go to hang it, you'll just hang it right here, and this is going to, the lace will actually hold directly onto this clip and it won't be slipping. It's not going to change the cap at all. It's just a really convenient way to store your wig. So now you know how to store your wigs, take them on vacation, display them on your wall, and make sure that they stay in that beautiful shape.